channel. This is my first video of you actually seeing me actually talking with you guys, so welcome. For anybody who is wondering, I'm just wearing plain Jane. This is plain Jane in my 10mm wand tube, which will be restocked soon. Um, Today's video is how can I put it? Inventory video. I am restocking 4 colors today, and I've also got 3 new colors. So I figured I will unravel them with you guys, and I will answer any questions that anybody may have in the comment section below. So let's get to it. I'm going to try to keep you guys updated as much as possible with inventory, things of that nature. We got tubes. I actually ordered 40 of these because last time I ordered 20. I went through them like it was no tomorrow. So 40 tubes, which will all be filled up today. No exaggeration, because I have people that are waiting for certain colors. Like I'm out of plain Jane, I'm out of melanin, I'm out of pink passion. You guys wipe me clean, thank you for that. But let's take a peek at the new colors. Don't mind the background. I am in the process of getting a pretty sparkly background for my videos and everything. Like I said, this is my first video actually talking to you guys, actually doing everything, so that way you guys can see. So as time goes on, you bear with me, I will get better. All right, we got holographic glitter. This is exactly what I use for one of my glosses. Holographic glitter literally will add to anything, literally, no exaggeration. Like if you feel like, oh, this color just isn't for me, oh, it needs a little pizzazz, holographic glitter, I kid you not. This is one of the new colors. I have yet to mix these. I'm literally unboxing it with you guys, so I'm excited to see how these colors are going to come out. I'm going to need for my camera to stay focused. Guys, like I said, I'm in the process of getting a stand, everything, so bear with me on that one. This is the second one. I'm just loving how it's looking in the light. I can only imagine what it's going to look like with gloss and a little bit of that holographic glitter. And this is the last one. This one actually looks a lot prettier in person, to be completely honest. So I'm loving that. And the only 2 things that I have left are the gloves, the gloves, the gloves, the gloves, the gloves. What else? I got 2 of these because I literally have, I think, like 4 or 5 in my drawer. In another video, I'm going to show you guys how I organize everything. And I know some people are like, well, why is she doing videos if she doesn't have a stand, if she doesn't have a background? Everybody has to start somewhere. I am starting from the ground up. I started my business from the ground up. I've been open and in business since April. So I'm only, what, 4 months in, almost 5. So I want you guys to grow with me. I don't want nobody to ever misconstrue it or think that I just started off with everything handed to me. I had to work for everything. And you guys are going to grow with me, because that's what growth is all about, right? Right. So I'm about to make one. Well, I'm going to make all of them. But I'm going to insert that in another video for you guys, so that way you guys can see exactly what it looks like, depending on if I want to give up my secret formula or not. But that is to be continued in another video. As time goes on, I'm going to expand my business, so I'm going to be talking with you guys about how I expanded it, what am I going to expand it to, how to find vendors. I haven't had anybody come to me and say that they wanted to use me as their vendor. Wholesale is an option. If at any point in time anybody wants to use me for a wholesale person, feel free to comment below. I will leave my website link in the description box below. I will also link my business page, my Instagram page, and my Facebook page. So that way you guys can get a hold of me in any way, shape, form, or fashion. If at any point in time anybody wants to send me any merchandise, I will drop my P.O. box below as well. Just so that way, if you guys want me to display it on my platform or any platform, I am here for entrepreneurship. Black, white, yellow, green, purple. It doesn't makes me no never mind. I am here for all of us to win. With that being said, I'm going to get right into it. So I'm going to chit chat with you later. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell so that way whenever I upload a video, you guys will be the first ones to know. And I will see you guys later.